हेलो फ्रेंड, आज આપણે તો કે ચેપ્ટર નંબર 8 એ અંતર્ગત પ્રશ્ન નંબર 5 ના દાખલાઓ જોઈએ સ્વાધ્યાય 8.4 જેનો પ્રશ્ન 5 ચાલે છે। તો સૌથી પહેલું જોઈએ તો કે cosec θ minus cot θ whole raised to square equal to 1 minus cos θ upon 1 plus cos θ। જ્યારે કોઈ આવો પ્રશ્ન હોય છે કે તમારો આન્સર ફક્ત cos કે sin માં છે તો તમને આપેલા બધા જ ગુણોત્તરને sin અને cos માં રૂપાંતરિત કરો। આ બેઝિક રૂલ છે તમારે યાદ રાખવો પડશે। લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ થી આપણે સોલ્વ આઉટ કરી અને આપણને રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ મળવી જોઈએ। તો કે cosec θ minus cot θ whole raised to square। cosec θ છે એનું સૂત્ર તો કે 1 upon sin θ minus cot theta is cos by sin whole raised to square। Here we see that sin theta are equal, so the division is sin theta and numerator is 1 minus cos theta whole raised to square। Square is a difference, so the 1 minus cos theta whole raised to square upon sin theta square, so it is a sin square theta। We know that a sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta। બેઝિક ક્વેશ્ચન તમને થયો કે અહીંયા આગળ સ્ક્વેર છે ને ઓપન શા માટે નો કર્યો કે ન્યુમેરેટર છે એ આપણું 1 minus cos theta છે। so we have 1 minus cos theta whole raised to square, so we not have bracket open, so the 1 minus cos theta whole raised to square upon sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta and division is numerator are same, division is a square minus b square, so the 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta, so the 1 minus cos theta one time cancel, so numerator is a 1 minus cos theta and denominator is a 1 plus cos theta and it is a right hand side, so we proved। next જોઈએ cos upon 1 plus sin and 1 plus sin upon cos equal to 2 sec। અહીં આગળ આપણો આન્સર sec ની અંદર છે। આપણે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ થી સોલ્વ આઉટ કરીએ તો લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ માં cos અને sin માં છે બધી વેલ્યુ cos a upon 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a upon cos a। એક જ આપણી પાસે ઓપ્શન છે કે આપણે શું લઈ લઈએ LCM। LCM લઈએ તો cos a into cos a, so the cos square a। 1 plus sin a is multiple with 1 plus sin a, so the 1 plus sin a whole raised to square upon 1 bracket is 1 plus sin a and second is a cos a। ब्रैकेट છે ને ઓપન જ કરવો પડે કારણ કે cos square a અહીંયા પર સોલ્વ આઉટ કરીએ તો 1 plus 2 sin a 2ab અને plus sin square a upon cos 1 plus sin a into cos a। cos square a plus sin square a is 1, cos square a plus sin square a is 1, so the 1 plus 2 sin a upon bracket is 1 plus sin a into cos a। 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 sin a upon 1 plus sin a into cos a। in numerator 2 is a common, so the 2 bracket is 1 plus sin a upon 1 plus sin a into cos a। 1 plus sin a are cancelled, so the 2 upon cos a and 1 upon cos a is always sec a, so the 2 into sec a। here is a RHS, right hand side। now calculate the third sum. Tan upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot upon 1 minus tan theta, and it is 1 plus sec into cosec. So the answer is in the sec and cosec. Sec and cosec are the inverse of a sin and cos. So the 1 upon cos and 1 upon sin. As usual, left hand side થી આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ આઉટ કરીએ કે LHS equal to tan theta by 1 minus cot theta and cot theta equal to 1 minus tan theta. Here we have two methods to solve out this question. So the one is option ke cot converted into the tan. Cot converted into tan, so the cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. And as usual we have seen that tan and cot hoy to sin and cos માં convert કરો. So both are method same. Here we convert the tan and cot into the sin and cos. So the tan theta is a sin upon cos and cot theta is 1 minus cos upon sin plus cot is a cos by sin and tan is a 1 minus sin upon cos. In denominator we have LCM of a sin. So the sin upon cos upon sin LCM is a sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos by sin upon cos multiple with 1, so the cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Sin into sin, so it is a sin square theta. Cos multiple with sin into sin minus cos. Same. Cos multiple with cos, so the cos square theta. And sin is multiple with cos minus sin, so the sin theta in the bracket. First is a cos theta and second is a sin theta. Here we can see that bracket are sin and cos, bracket are sin and cos, but the sign is opposite. So in the second term we have common the minus sign. So it is a sin square theta upon cos theta in the bracket sin theta minus cos theta, all are same. If we common the minus sign, then the sign is a plus and cos is minus. And plus minus minus, so the we have seen that minus cos square theta upon sin theta in the bracket sin theta minus cos theta, sin is plus and cos is minus. So we have seen that the bracket are same. Now we have only different term is sin and cos, so we have LCM of these two terms and we find out that the sin is multiple with a sin square, so the it is a sin cube theta. In the division, cos theta multiple with a sin theta, so the cos theta into sin theta in the bracket we have seen that sin theta minus cos theta. So our LCM is a sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta into cos theta. And also the cos theta is multiple with a cos square theta, so the it is a cos cube theta. Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta upon LCM is a sin theta into cos theta into bracket of a sin theta minus cos theta. A cube minus b cube, so a minus b and second term is a square minus it is a plus and plus minus and second is a plus b square. A cube minus b cube is a minus b and second term is a square plus ab plus b square. So the sin cube minus cos cube, so the first is a sin theta minus cos theta and second bracket is a raised to square, so it is a sin square theta. A into b, so it is a sin theta into cos theta, and b means cos square theta upon cos theta into sin theta in the bracket of a sin theta minus cos theta. So the bracket of a sin theta minus cos theta are cancelled, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is a 1 plus sin theta into cos theta upon cos theta into sin theta, 1 upon cos theta into sin theta, and plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. 1 upon cos is a sec, and 1 upon sin it is a cosec. Sin theta into cosec theta polar cancel, so the answer is 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta, and it is RHS. You have remember a cube minus b cube is a minus b in the bracket of a square plus ab plus b square. Bracket છે sin cube theta minus cos cube theta cubic કરો તો એનું equation put out કરો, and sin theta minus cos theta polar cancel, and first is the LCM are important, which are in LCM. So next second sum જોઈએ. જય હિન્દ જય ભારત.